everyone, so today I wanted to make a card, and I wanted to make a card using this die that I got sent as a freebie. Yeah, so I made this card, so it's nice and easy. It's a 5x7. You open it up, the little hearts are dangling off the edge, and then I still need to stamp my greeting in the middle. Super easy, really simple, but quite effective, and there's all sorts of things you can do with this. You know, you can hang different die cuts off the edge of it. I've used the Winter Sparkle pack from Dovecraft. I don't know if this is still available. It was obviously when I last, looked, but I don't know if it might have gone out by now, because it's a really good decoupage pad. But you could use whatever you have. And then the papers that I've used here are a very old pad from Dovecraft called Happy You. But I was like, they literally look like they should have been made to go with that die, because they're so similar. It's unreal. So I'm really pleased, because I haven't really used this pad very much. I've used a bit of it because I love the rose gold, but I haven't used the heart papers. So now I'm like, right, I've got the die that goes with it, so I'm going to go for it. So yeah, and then the glitter card here is Dovecraft rose gold glitter. This is a Dovecraft rose gold mirror. Yeah, and then the card blank itself is also, I think it also is a 5x7 card from, I'm pretty sure it's a Dovecraft one. But yeah, but that's the card for today. So let's get into it. Okay, so for this super quick card, you're just going to need a 5x7 card blank. So if you use this is just a 5x7 card blank, so it actually measures 7x10, and then you score it halfway at 5. And then what I've done is I've just cut an inch off. So if you wanted to, and you don't have a 5x7 card blank, you can just get yourself a piece that's 7x9, and then score at 5 inches. Okay, so if that's easier, you can do that. So we're just going to score that. That's just scored, ready to go. And then what we want is we just need to get ourselves a piece of mat. And this is 3 3/4 by 6 3/4. And on top of that, you want a piece of pattern. And this is 3.5 by 6.5. So that is going to go on there. Little tip, if you cut this out so that it's actually an inch wider, then what you can do is you can use that inch strip there, which is what I've actually done. So I've cut out an inch, just cut an inch off, and that is going to go in there. So I'm going to go ahead and stick this onto there, and then I'm going to go ahead and stick that onto there, and I'm also going to stick that bit in there as well. And then you can go ahead and stamp your greeting in there. And then what I'm going to do is add my hearts on. So this is the In Love Art Shop die. They sent me this. Is actually a freebie. I didn't get this, but I know it is obviously there to be ordered. So I'm just going to go ahead and stick this on. And I'm going to use my B6000 glue. It does smell a lot, but it does stick really well. So that's why I'm using it. So I need to stick this half here. So I'm just going to go ahead and stick the 3 hearts down. And then the Christmas cheer, I just found this sentiment out of the Dovecraft Premium Winter Sparkle decoupage pad. Don't know if they've still got this on their site or not. You might be able to get it elsewhere if not. But it just went perfectly. Just the colours went perfectly. So I'm going to put a Christmas cheer just there like that. And there you have it. Super quick Christmas card. Obviously you just need to stamp your greeting on the inside. Super quick, but it's just a bit different, quite nice. Obviously if you wanted to, you don't have to use it for Christmas, so these hearts could be used for Valentine's Day, could be used for birthdays, with love, get well soon. Do you know what I mean? The possibilities are actually endless. But I really like that die. I just think it's such a nice die, and it literally it's like it went with these papers. This is the Happy You papers from Dovecraft that came out years ago, probably about 2017, 18, something like that. But yeah, they're really nice. But yeah, really impressed. Nice quick card, super duper quick. And yeah, and if you didn't put the Christmas cheer on, if you don't put your sentiment on pads, then it's flat enough to go through the post. Haven't got to worry about that. Obviously, if you want to change this down and make this a 6x6 or whatever size you have in your, your country, all you do, just take your card blank, your normal card blank, and just trim off an edge. And then, yeah, just add your little whatever you want to have hanging over the edge. You know, as well, this would have been good for that ho 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 die that I had. I did this card with it, but if you'd had the ho ho ho, you could have had the ho 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 on here and then have the little creatures hanging, the Rudolph the reindeer, the penguin, and Father Christmas. You could have had them hanging off where the hearts are. So, really you could use whatever dies you've got as well. So yeah, so that's that one. So just make sure that if you do go and get this die, I'll try and link it up in the top corner if I can find it. Don't forget to use my code icedimages, and that will get you 20% off. If you want to make them a little bit more stable, because obviously they're not that thick, you can just mount it up, just layer them up. But yes, I hope you like this card. Nice and easy, quick to make. So please like and subscribe, hit the notification bell so you never miss a video, leave a comment down below, share it as well, and I'll see you again next time. Bye.